What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing, installing, and reviewing two fantastic bidet options from SmartWhale. We've got the SmartWhale Electric Bidet toilet seat with all the modern bells and whistles, and then we've got the SmartWhale Non-Electric Bidet toilet seat, which is an affordable, eco-friendly alternative. Now if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom but aren't sure which option suits you best, keep watching. Okay, so to start out, I was never really one of those people who used a bidet in my everyday use after finishing what I needed to do in the bathroom. In fact, I remember one of my first trips abroad seeing two toilet bowls in a bathroom only to realize that the second was not actually a toilet bowl at all, but instead was a bidet, which I knew nothing about. Now, like most people, I was one of your regular guys who relied on just toilet paper after doing my business in the bathroom. I know, TMI, right? Now, that all changed when I met my wife, who introduced me to a cleaner, healthier, and more economic way of cleaning after using the bathroom. In fact, after doing a little bit of research, did you know that you are not only saving on paper and waste, but when you use a bidet, it also leaves you feeling cleaner, and it turns out to be more hygienic than using just toilet paper alone. It's also better for sensitive skin and reduces the risk of developing hemorrhoids and other issues caused by wiping alone. There is, of course, that initial shock that you'll need to get used to when you have water splashing against your nether regions, but it's not much different than taking a shower once you get used to it. Anyways, let's start with a quick overview of the two options that we've got in front of me. The electric model comes packed with features like an instant warm water, a heated seat, a built-in air dryer, and a wireless remote for effortless control. It's also got sensors built into the toilet seat so you don't have any mishaps when you accidentally press the buttons when you're not sitting on the seat itself. Now don't ask me how I know, but it's something that I found out the hard way. This electric model is priced at around $280 with an instant savings of 30% currently, making it a premium but worthwhile investment. Now on the flip side, there is also this non-electric model, which is a budget-friendly choice at around $80 with an additional $31 coupon available right now. It's perfect for those who want the convenience of a bidet without the higher cost and/or the electricity usage. Granted, you do give up some of the more premium features and the luxuries that come with this electric version. Okay, so before we dive further into the review and installation of the SmartWhale Bidet, let me take a moment to tell you about another product that's essential for your oral health, the Oclean X Ultra S electric toothbrush. Trust me, if you're upgrading your bathroom tech, this is another addition and upgrade you don't want to overlook. And I want to thank Oclean for sponsoring this part of the video. The Oclean X Ultra S isn't your typical electronic toothbrush. It's equipped with real-time AI voice guidance and an interactive smart touchscreen that gives you instant feedback on your brushing habits. It's got a maglev 3.0 motor which delivers powerful and consistent cleaning with up to 84,000 movements per minute, making it 3 times more effective at plaque removal. Now, what sets this toothbrush apart is the real-time tracking of 8 different brushing areas. In fact, thanks to the 6-axis gyroscope sensor, the Oclean X Ultra S can detect areas that need more attention and provide instant feedback on its screen. Red areas on the app indicate spots you missed, while yellow areas on the app show you places that aren't fully clean. It's like having a personal dental coach every time you brush. Now, in addition to that, the toothbrush tracks and assigns you a score for your overall hygiene and performance, which means it's great for kids and making sure that they're on top of their oral hygiene by gamifying the whole experience. And what's nice, it doesn't stop there. You can sync it with the Oclean Care Plus app via Bluetooth to get a personalized brushing report, track your brushing time, get your brushing score, and tell you the number of times that you actually go through and complete a brushing session. This helps you optimize your routine and maintain better oral hygiene, and it lets you know what your habits are and how to improve them. Now, when it comes to usability, the Oclean X Ultra S boasts an impressive 40-day battery life, so you don't have to worry about constant recharging. Plus, with its mold-resistant nano coating and sleek starlight design, it's durable, hygienic, and it looks great on your bathroom counter. It's got both a charging base and a solid charging carrying case for travel, and when not in use, you can simply stick it to the magnetic base holder, which you can stick and re-stick anywhere you want. What's also nice is that it does come with 5 brushing modes and customizable options to fit your personal needs, ensuring that everyone in your household can have their perfect brushing experience all the time. It's also got various different brushing heads that allow you to target different oral objectives that you want to accomplish, whether it's whiter teeth, healthier gums, or just an overall clean feeling after brushing. Now, with all that in mind, if you're ready to upgrade your brushing game and experience a smarter, more effective clean, check out the Oclean X Ultra S electric toothbrush. You can find the link in the description section below to get yours and start transforming your oral health today. So thank you, Oclean, for sponsoring this part of the video. Okay, so now that we've got your brushing routine covered, let's get back to upgrading the bathroom experience with the SmartWhale Bidet installation. Now, going back to this electric version, the SmartWhale Electric Bidet toilet seat offers instant warm water and a 3-level heated seat. This ensures that you stay comfortable even on chilly mornings. Now, I don't know about you, but I hate sitting on a cold toilet seat. It just sucks. It includes dual nozzles for front and rear wash, as well as a self-cleaning feature, which I think it pretty much does after and before every wash as the spray tube is deploying and even when it's retracting. And it's also got adjustable water pressure, which is always definitely nice. There is also the 3-level warm air dryer, which means that you can skip using toilet paper altogether. Although in my case, I do still like to pre-wash and then use toilet paper to make sure that I'm completely clean before using any kind of air drying. It's just more comfortable for me. Now, what's nice and flexible about the electric toilet seat is that you can control the seat both manually using the controls on the side of the seat or the wireless remote, which makes operation a breeze. It's also got a built-in night light ring, which adds a touch of convenience for those late night bathroom trips, and is nice because you can actually see where the toilet is in the dark. Now, installation takes about 10 to 15 minutes, making it an easy upgrade for your bathroom and easy enough for just about anyone to complete. Now, the only feedback and thing that I didn't like about the installation was the method used to secure the seat onto the toilet bowl itself. It didn't feel as secure or tight as the mechanism and hardware on my original toilet seat. So in my case, I ended up using a mixture of parts from my old seat and this new one, which made installation much more secure and sturdy. And that happened with both of the installs, since the hardware is pretty much the same. Now, another thing to consider when buying this electric version of the toilet seat is to make sure that you do have an outlet near the toilet, or you'll need to plan to have one installed since it does power itself with electricity. Now, another pleasant feature that I discovered that I was not expecting was the sensor, which is a nice touch to ensure that the water spray doesn't go off when no one is sitting on the toilet. This proved to be useful during the install when I tested out the bidet features and didn't realize how powerful the spray was. Let's just say this was an interactive test of the toilet seat and its spray features. It definitely shoots a powerful concentrated stream of water. Now, when it comes to the SmartWhale non-electric toilet seat, this model doesn't require electricity at all, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective option, and one that is even easier to install and figure out. It features a dual nozzle system for both rear and feminine washes, which is operated by a simple side knob. You simply need to pull the knob or lever forward to activate it and then move it towards the back for the feminine wash. You can also adjust the water pressure to your liking by pulling the lever forward or back, increasing or decreasing the power of the spray. Now, this provides a customizable and refreshing cleaning experience. Now, the non-electric bidet seat comes with a soft closed lid, just like the electric version, so no more slamming sounds when you're done. It's designed to fit most elongated toilets with dimensions of 19 inches by 14 inches, about, give or take, ensuring that it integrates seamlessly with your existing bathroom setup. Now, one piece of advice when installing the toilet seat is to ensure that the lever itself is in the middle position. Otherwise, once everything is connected, you will get wet if you set it to spray. Now, I found out the hard way, and in both installation scenarios, I got wet. When it comes to installation, both bidet seats are easy to install, even for beginners. The electric model requires a nearby power outlet, but comes with a straightforward installation process that is simple and easy to figure out. Now, the non-electric model is as simple as it gets. All you have to do is attach the seat, connect the water line, and you're ready to go. Both installations can be done in about 5 to 10 minutes with basic tools. Now overall, let's go ahead and break down the pros and cons of each of these different models. First, let's start with the electric model and its pros. You've got instant warm water and heated seats. You've also got wireless remote for easy control. You've also got 3 levels of adjustable air drying and multiple wash modes with adjustable settings. And then, my favorite, it's got an auto sensing seat and a little night light to help you identify where the toilet is in the dark. Now, when talking about the cons for the electric model, I'd say probably the higher initial cost and that it requires a nearby power outlet, which means you'll need to either get one installed if you don't have one or use an extension cord. Now, when it comes to the non-electric model, let's talk about the pros. First off, it's got a budget-friendly price. Second, it's eco-friendly because it requires no electricity. And then third, you've got the dual nozzle system for comprehensive cleaning and the simple installation. And then when it comes to the cons for the non-electric model, you've got no heated water or seats like in the electric model, and none of those extra bells and whistles. And then you've got the manual water pressure adjustment, which is a little bit more finicky because you have to press it just right. Because typically what I found is if you press it even just a little too much, you've got a hard spray, which is going to be kind of shocking. Okay, so after installing and using both of these seats for a little while, which one do I think is right for you? Well, if you're looking for the ultimate in luxury and convenience, the SmartWhale Electric Bidet toilet seat is an excellent choice, and it's the one that I prefer after using both seats for a little period of time. But if you're on a budget or you prefer an eco-friendly, straightforward solution, the non-electric bidet toilet seat is a great alternative that still provides a thorough, refreshing clean. In fact, overall, I think both models offer a significant upgrade from traditional toilet paper, promoting better hygiene and comfort. I can honestly say switching to a bidet has changed my bathroom habits for the better and leaves me with a much cleaner and fresher feeling after leaving the bathroom. Whether you decide to go with the electric or the non-electric version of the SmartWhale toilet seat, you can't go wrong. They both work amazingly well. Anyways, I do want to thank you for watching. I hope this quick look and comparison helped you decide which SmartWhale bidet is best for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more home tech DIY and product reviews. Check out the links in the description section for more details and current deals on these products. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.